news for today is we are on the bullet train and we are going to Beijing. A while ago, I just finished a bottle of Coke. You might notice that my brother's asking Mom, what is it I was playing with? Well, I'm Ezra. Hi. So, filming this video just for you. Well, it's really cool to ride on the bullet train. This time I made it to China. The Barnesons made it to China. They're already here in China. They're riding on the bullet train of China. So, we're doing really good. I'm trying to get us, well, whoever you and me are. Oh, I don't care. The bullet train, I think, should stop now. But it's not. So I'm just gonna keep on doing a video. This is really good. Because the bullet train, I never knew how fast it would go. The bullet train is the second fastest train created. Bullet train, 200 miles an hour. Another train, fastest train in the world, 242. They're only 42 apart. It is really cool. Now, we're in the city of Beijing. It's not one of the most cleanest cities. Go Beijing, go Beijing, go Beijing. Keep your voices down. My dad doesn't want it too loud in here.